Hey guys, we're doing the team random now for the 4 box break. It's 5:53:32 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants, we're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're doing teams 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Random is complete. The teams are James Balti with Rockets, Vincent Warriors, Hunges, Kings, Thorpe, Jazz, Lindsay Williams, Nets, Tim Pud, Magic, Jeff with the Wizards, Thomas Oliver, Grizz, Sean Thon, Raptors, James with the Blazers, Jeff with the Nuggets, Rodney Pacers, Joel with the Bucks, Mizzy Sixers, Elworthy Knicks, Hunges with the Suns, Albie Bulls, Rodney Celtics, Johnny Deegan Hawks, Aaron Price Heat, John Jordan Wolves, Dale Pistons, John Jordan Hornets, Shane Scott Mavericks, Mr. Odd with Spurs, Jared with the Clippers, James with Cavs, Marcus a lot Lakers, Bonanno Pelicans, and Mr. Sanson on with the Thunder. And that's the teams.